こごえる. We use this when waiting outside in midwinter or on a very windy night. Without gloves, we often say it about hands or fingertips. こごえる. 真冬の外で長く待つときや風が強い夜に使います。手袋がないと手や指先についてよく言います。It is used as an intransitive verb. こごえる means to become so cold that your body or feelings go numb or stiff, rather than an object turning into ice. とても寒くて体や指がしびれて動かしにくくなる感じです。物が固まるコールと違い、生き物の感覚や状態を表します。The single kanji means ice and freezing. It carries the idea of intense cold. You see it in words like 冷凍 and 凍結. These both talk about things becoming frozen or being put on hold. I waited outside for so long that my hands were freezing. 外で長く待って手が凍えました。外で長く待って手が凍えました。It's windy today and my ears are freezing. 今日は風が強くて耳が凍えそうです。今日は風が強くて耳が凍えそうです。One midwinter morning, a child was freezing in the park. 真冬の朝、子供が公園で凍えていました。真冬の朝、子供が公園で凍えていました。I didn't have any gloves and my fingertips froze. 手袋がなくて指先が凍えた。手袋がなくて指先が凍えた。The most common synonyms of the word are 凍る and 冷える。凍る is for things or liquids that freeze solid. 冷える is a general become cold for rooms, drinks, or bodies without the numb, painful feeling. 凍える is for living beings feeling severe cold and. The most common antonym of the word is 温まる. It means to get warm or to warm up, the opposite feeling of severe cold and numbness that 凍える expresses.